Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious boy named Tim. Tim was always eager to explore and learn new things. One sunny day, he decided to venture into the nearby forest, a place that everyone in the village talked about, but few dared to enter. As Tim entered the forest, he was amazed by the tall trees, their leaves forming a canopy above him. The air was filled with the sweet scent of wildflowers, and the sounds of birds chirping echoed through the woods. Tim felt a sense of excitement and adventure. As he walked deeper into the forest, Tim stumbled upon a hidden clearing where a group of colorful butterflies danced in the sunlight. Mesmerized by their graceful movements, Tim decided to sit and observe them. He watched as they fluttered from flower to flower, creating a beautiful display of nature's wonders. In the midst of his observation, Tim noticed a peculiar tree with a hollow trunk. Curiosity getting the best of him, he approached the tree and peered inside. To his surprise, he found a small, glowing orb nestled within. Tim carefully reached in and took hold of the mysterious object. As soon as he touched the orb, a magical energy surged through him. Suddenly, he could understand the language of the animals in the forest. Birds, rabbits, and even insects spoke to him, sharing their stories and wisdom. Tim was overjoyed with his newfound ability and spent hours conversing with his newfound forest friends. One day, a wise old owl approached Tim. The owl spoke of a hidden path that led to a magical waterfall deep within the forest. Legend had it that the waterfall had the power to grant a single wish to anyone who found it. Tim, filled with excitement, decided to embark on a quest to discover this enchanted place. Guided by the owl's directions, Tim journeyed through the dense forest, overcoming obstacles and forging new friendships with the creatures of the woods. Along the way, he encountered a mischievous squirrel who led him astray, but with the help of a wise deer, Tim found his way back on track. Finally, after days of exploration, Tim stood before the magical waterfall. Its waters sparkled in the sunlight, casting a rainbow of colors across the surrounding foliage. Tim closed his eyes, made his wish, and felt a surge of energy as the waterfall granted his deepest desire. With a heart full of gratitude, Tim decided to use his wish to bring prosperity to his village. As he returned home, he shared the tales of his adventures with the villagers and told them about the magical forest and the wish-granting waterfall. The village was skeptical at first, but as Tim led them to the enchanted forest, they witnessed the wonders he spoke of. The once skeptical villagers were filled with awe and wonder as they too touched the magical orb and understood the language of the animals. United by this newfound connection to nature, the village flourished. Crops grew abundantly, and the people lived in harmony with the forest and its inhabitants. Tim's courage and curiosity had not only changed his life, but had brought prosperity and happiness to the entire village. And so the small village and the magical forest became intertwined, creating a tale of adventure, friendship, and the incredible power of a wish granted by a magical waterfall. Tim's story became a legend, passed down through generations, reminding everyone of the importance of curiosity, kindness, and the wonders that nature holds for those who dare to explore.